Today, I will introduce to you various types of excavators and some tips for using excavators for beginners. First of all, if you want to unload the excavator from the transport vehicle, use the excavator's bucket as a support, then lower it slowly. To lowering it halfway, rotate the excavator's head 180 degrees, use the bucket as a support from the top, and continue lowering the remaining part of the machine. To excavate a tree stump that has been cut off from the ground, first scoop up the soil on both sides of the stump. Then position the excavator's bucket in front of the stump and scoop up the soil around it. That's it. If you want to remove all the soil around the stump, gently shake it like this. If the excavator is stuck in a deep trench like this during operation and cannot reverse out, here's how to handle it. First, stabilize the excavator's bucket. Tilt the machine's body to one side, but avoid lifting it too high. Then, move it gradually, allowing the other side of the machine to shift to this side. After a few steps like this, you will successfully get out of the situation. With smaller sized excavators, they can assist humans in simple tasks, minimizing the need for manual labor. For instance, they can help with tasks like moving trash bins, digging soil, and planting trees. It's incredibly convenient. By changing to a smaller and sharper excavator head, it can have the function of excavating bricks and dismantling stone foundations without the need for drilling or chiseling. Its versatile utility is truly amazing. Recognizing its convenience in daily work, people have created giant brush attachments for excavators to serve the purpose of cleaning construction sites. But to truly understand its practicality, here, there are types of gigantic excavators like this, with a digging capacity of several tons. With functions for digging rocks, sand, minerals, liquids, we can see excavators present in various construction sites. But are you curious about how a giant excavator would be like? With a significantly larger digging capacity, controlling it would be much more complex. The interior space of the control cabin of a giant excavator would look like this. Let's take a look together. It's truly amazing to witness such a scene.